In this video, we'll explain how to go live on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app. At the bottom, you'll see a plus button. Tap it. Once you do, you'll find the live option below. Just click that live option. When you tap it, you'll see the option to go live. Before starting, you need to set a few things. If you want to schedule a live, there's a calendar button. Click it to set a start time. After choosing the time, hit the done button, then select your audience. By default, it's set to everyone. Next, add a video title here, then click schedule live video. After that, you'll see a share button. If you want to share it on social media, you can, or just click not now. If you're scheduling a live, you can notify others before going live. You'll get a notification at the set time, and only after approving it will the live start. If you want to reach more people, scheduling helps. For now, though, I'm not scheduling this live. Now, to go live, first type a title. Click the button to add one here. Once it's added, hit add title. Next, set your audience. You'll see it's set to everyone, meaning anyone can watch your live. If you prefer close friends only, you can change it. Normally, keeping it on everyone is better for visibility. For example, I'm setting it to close friends. To hide someone from the live, tap the settings button up top. When you tap it, select the live option. Then, you'll see hide live from. Click it, choose the contact you want, and hit done. That person won't see your live. After the live, if you want to save it to the IGTV section, turn that option on. It'll be saved there. If not, turn it off. To switch cameras, there's a button here. Tap it to change the camera. Now it's on the back camera. Now it's on the front. If you want filters, pick one you like. For example, I'm choosing this filter. Then, to go live, just tap the button. It'll count down 3, 2, 1, and you're live. Your live has started. To check viewers, you can see how many are watching. Want to know who they are? Tap the live name to see everyone watching during your live. If you want to mute, there's a button here. Tap it to mute audio. To unmute, tap again. If you want to turn off the video, tap this button, and it'll stop. For now, I'm keeping it on. To switch cameras during the live, tap this button. You can change it anytime. To switch filters, tap this button here, and choose a new filter from the options. We set a filter earlier. If you want to change it, do it here. To add someone to your live, tap this button. You'll see an invite option. Click invite, and when they accept, they'll join. Now, 2 people are in the live. To disconnect them, tap this button, and they're gone. If someone requests to join your live, tap this button, then hit accept. Click go live with their account name. Once you do, they'll join the live. To disconnect, tap the button again. If someone asks a question, like in my case, you'll see a question button here. Tap it to see all questions others have asked. To comment, click add comment, type it, and hit send. Your comment will be added. To end the live, tap the cross button up top. You'll see an end now option. Click it, and the live will stop. Afterward, you'll see options like view and live archive. If it's saved to archive, click view and live archive to watch it. To discard, click discard. Or, to share, hit the share button. That's how you go live on Instagram. Hope this video helped. If you found it helpful, please subscribe. See you in the next video.